see, first of all, they transfer a lot of money.
Hello, everyone. I am here with His Excellency Frederick Edem Hegbe, Ambassador of the Republic of Togo to the United States. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam.
I am interviewing you because I'm interested in the diaspora, the Togolese diaspora, and how can they get involved in Togo?
Yeah, they are really involved in Togo since a while. They are well organized. Okay, see, first of all, they transfer a lot of money.
Yeah, that's true.
They transfer a lot of money to their families. Okay, this amount, the amount of the money they transfer, very important in the economy.
He is really not joking. The Togolese diaspora in 2014, according to the World Bank, sent over to Togo $348 million. In that same year, the Togolese GDP is only $4 billion. So that's pretty much 25% of the GDP. That's how much money the Togolese diaspora sent to Togo in 2014. Okay.
The Togolese economy.
So the money that the Togolese diaspora transfers to Togo is a huge part of the economy.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's part of the economy. And I think this money will help a lot their families, okay, food, health, and other things. But some of members of diaspora also are taking great initiative to build in place in their country some business which provides job for their brothers and sisters in the country. So on my part here, okay, I see any opportunity to encourage them. And right now we have in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in Togo, we have a direction, a special service direction, which takes care, okay, of the issues of diaspora.
What is the name of the thing in the department in the Togo?
Yeah, there is the department, is the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Inside, we have a special division, okay, for diaspora. Okay, I think that many events, encouragement, awards are given to those of them who are doing great, okay, by taking initiative, helping Togolese communities, okay, and creating job, okay, or creating business, and those business creates a job for their brother and sister in Togo.
As you said, my name is Victor Agukonu. I am the president of the Togolese diaspora of United States. Togolese diaspora is a community of more than 20,000 people living in this country. In every sector, we have expertise, we have knowledge, we have resources, we have funding, and we share both the culture of America and also the Africa and particularly Togolese culture. We found that it's an obligation to give back to our country, to give back to our population, our people.
You also said that you were hosting a trade mission from here to Togo. So you're going to take Togolese diaspora to Togo. Why is that important?
We have this opportunity that Togo is the country, the host country of AGOA. AGOA is African Growth Opportunity Act, which is a program that promotes the trade between America and Africa. So Togo will be the country that hosts AGOA this year.
AGOA is a very big deal for African countries because it makes it a lot easier to trade with the US, like duty-free. For example, for Togo Togolese people in Togo purchased $956 million in goods in 2013. In the same year, U.S. only purchased $7.7 million in goods from Togo. Let me say that again because that's a big difference. Togolese purchased $956 million in goods from the U.S. And in the same year, in 2013, the U.S. only purchased $7.7 million in goods from Togo. Yeah, Togo is hosting the Forum of AGOA, so it's actually a really big deal. A really big deal. Okay, back to the video.
And as such, I'm leading a delegation of more than 20 Togolese living in the United States to participate in this forum, not only because we want to meet other stakeholders from other countries from America to network, but also we found that will be also an opportunity for us to encourage our fellow in the diaspora to seize opportunity in Togo, to see opportunity in Africa, to invest in Africa.
Everyone, I am talking to Jacob Eisenberg. The reason I'm talking to him is because he's an American citizen who relocated to Tanzania and is working in palmuculture. Permaculture. Can you talk about that?
Sure. I mean, permaculture is a holistic design science. And the history of permaculture, it's a relatively young field. It started in the 1970s in Australia, but it's a real grassroots approach. So what I've been doing, my work, I've been training local communities in Tanzania.
So why do you want to work with the African diaspora?
Well, because the African diaspora, number one, they understand the cultural aspects of Africa, as well as probably having the worldview of being in the States and abroad, and the experience just of networking with a wide variety of people and businesses.
Can you tell us about your company? What is the name?
Sure. The company is called Livsy, Livsy, and it stands basically for Living Systems. It's an abbreviation. Ideally, we're looking for people that are experienced, have previous work in director level positions, as well as the understanding of the basically African and Western side of things.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So he's hiring.